Hello, welcome back. Today's stagecraft tip is a quickie. Lose the lectern. If you are walking to a room that you're going to be presenting in, whether it's going to be on a stage or you're on the floor of a meeting room, and there is a lectern there, move it. Now, the problem with a lectern is that it forms a barrier between you and the audience. And the other issue is people tend to grip hold of the side. You can almost see this rictus grip as their knuckles turn white through nerves. So if there is a lectern there, I would suggest you move it out of the way. If that's not practical, maybe it's too heavy, maybe it's fixed to the floor, then step to the side of it. Don't stand behind it. It's just a barrier between the audience. Now, the one caveat on this is if that lectern has microphones on and those are the only microphones available, you might have to do it. In which case, I would just make sure you're not gripping the side, allow your hands to be seen on either side of the lectern and be as relaxed as you can be and move a little bit around it. So you're keeping the mics in front of you so that they're still picking you up, but you're not rigid and stuck behind it. So ideally, move it, lose it. If you have to use it, just make sure that you're using as much of your body around it as possible. But anyway, that's a very quick top tip for you today. So lose the lectern. That's always my my advice. If you have come to this via my email newsletter, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel while you're here. If you have just found this on YouTube, then you can subscribe to my email newsletter via the link in the description below. And I will see you next time.